Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2019 Toyota 4Runner Nightshade. Now the most notable features on this Nightshade is its power moonroof. You also have your parking sensors along with your heated and cooled front seats. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2019 Toyota 4Runner Nightshade. Let's get started. Now a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this Nightshade is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lights, and as you can see, you also have your darker style chrome on the front with your parking sensors, and over on the side you do have the 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You also have your running boards. Taking a look up top, you have the integrated signal lamps as well as your foldable mirrors and heated mirrors. Now with the running boards, they're actually power folding, so when you actually open up the door, they'll fold out for you. Smart key system with this. So with the smart key system, you can lock all the doors simultaneously just by pushing on the two little lines you see there on the handle. And when you put your hand between the handle, it'll unlock the front door for you as well, as long as you have the key fob on you at all times. Now the color we're going to be taking a look at today is black, and taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as the front seats, you'll see a couple of different features on here. Well, I should say you'll find your black interior with your power driver seat with lumbar support. Mirror controls as well as your parking sensors on and off. Window wiper de-icer on and off switch for the power folding running boards, and your rear cargo power outlet. Window locks, power locks, and window controls, both your front and rear windows, along with your seat memory controls. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your scroll function, Bluetooth connectivity, volume control, voice recognition, cruise control, and then it does come equipped with the push button start. So all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Now, taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So as you can see, you have your fuel economy with your cruising range, distance to empty, and then you have a digital compass with an exterior temperature gauge as well. Taking a look at the center dash area, you have your digital clock, hazard lights, and then as you can see when you go inside your apps menu, you have your navigation audio phone as well as a couple of other additional features. JBL sound system with your Sirius XM satellite radio, dual zone climate control settings, heated and cooled front seat controls for your driver and passenger with your USB auxiliary input and power outlet. 4x4 select, matted to an automatic transmission, and your open and close for the power rear window. Up top you have the auto dimming rear view mirror. Along with that you'll find the integrated garage door controls, open and closed for the power moonroof, traction control on and off, A-track downhill assist control, and then you also have the sunglass case holder. Taking a look at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located on your rear bumper, you're going to find your parking sensors located right across. You also have the backup camera on the left-hand side and the rear hatch release located just underneath. As you can see, you have a 50-50 split for the third row, so in the event that you need the additional space, it is available to you. And if you need more additional cargo space, you can fold that second row seating for yourself as well. Now, over on your right-hand side, you have that rear cargo power outlet, so if you're ever out of the cabin or lake during the weekend, you need to plug in your tools, you can do so. Or if you'd like, you can plug in a mini fridge or a couple of speakers. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455. Or please visit our website at sbtoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.